This is the National Weather Service office in Lincoln, Illinois with an updated multimedia weather briefing for the upcoming winter storm. Here are some of the highlights with this particular winter storm that's expected to affect parts of east central and southeast Illinois starting later this afternoon and continuing tonight through Sunday. Significant snow accumulations are possible, with blowing and drifting becoming a problem on Sunday as the northerly winds start to increase across the area in the wake of the storm. Current projections as far as snowfall totals are concerned looks like 8 to 12 inches possible southeast of Interstate 55. The further southeast you get closer to Interstate 70, the heavier the snow totals look to be. 5 to 8 inches east of the Illinois River to I-55, and anywhere from 2 to 5 inches west of the Illinois River by later on Sunday. Then probably the most important thing to remember here are the wind chills setting in for tomorrow night and especially Monday morning, and they'll be with us on and off right through Tuesday morning. Some wind chills could be in the 30 to 40 below zero range starting later Sunday night and continuing into Tuesday morning. The area in red is now where our winter storm warning is in effect. We could see anywhere from 5 to 8 inches along and east of the Illinois River, roughly to about Pana to Danville. Southeast, that's where the heaviest snowfall totals are expected, where up to a foot of snow is possible, especially along the Interstate 70 corridor. The yellow area is a winter weather advisory for the potential of 2 to 5 inches. As the storm system pushes to the east and southeast of us on Sunday, look for north winds to increase to between 15 and 25 miles per hour, some gusts up to 35 miles per hour, which will cause considerable blowing and drifting of the snow. Here's the timing of the snow. It looks like the snow will start to push into northwest Illinois starting later on this afternoon and this evening, and then gradually spread southeast tonight. And it looks like some heavy snow will start to develop from southwest to northeast along east central and southeast Illinois late tonight and especially during the day on Sunday. And as that storm system pushes off to the east of us tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, we look for north winds to increase to between 20 and 30 miles per hour, some higher gusts. That'll cause the snow to blow around and drift pretty good, especially later tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. Here is the total snowfall accumulation expected with this particular storm. The lower amounts up to around 3-4 inches in the far northwest, and the potential for up to a foot of snow, mainly southeast of the Interstate 70 corridor, closer to Lawrenceville, down on the floor, and those areas could see anywhere from 10 to 12 inches by the time the storm winds down. Dangerously cold weather will move in once the storm pushes away from us later Sunday night into Monday. These are wind chill factors for Monday morning. It looks like anywhere from 30 to 40 below zero, possibly across the northern half of the area, and anywhere from 20 to 30 below down in the south. Monday night, not much better. Pretty much 30 to 40 below across the area from northwest to southeast. So it looks like a potential for significant snowfall across the area starting tonight and continuing through Sunday, with the potential for up to a foot of snow along the Interstate 70 corridor and generally 5 to 8 inches east of the Illinois River to generally along Interstate 57. But again, as you head further south and east towards the Interstate 70 corridor, that's where we're going to see the heavier snowfall totals. And by the time Monday morning comes around, the storm will be well off to our east, but the gusty northerly winds will produce dangerously low wind chills anywhere from 30 to 40 below zero.